Ingredients: 1 loaf brioche bread, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 cups cornflake 50 grams, 2 tablespoons butter, 1½ cups cinnamon sugar 300 grams. Procedure: remove crust from bread. Cut bread into large square pieces. Crush cornflakes in a baggie, pour into shallow dish, and set aside. Mix eggs, milks, brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla in a bowl. Heat skillet with about 1 tablespoon of butter. Dip bread into egg mixture on all sides. Coat in crushed cornflakes. Grill on all sides until golden brown in skillet. Immediately roll in cinnamon sugar mixture. Serve with syrup or chocolate sauce for dipping. Enjoy! Give this video a like, share and subscribe our channel and turn on our post notification.